Then again to what's up, gamers? We are here. Let's go.
For your YouTube channels.
Yo, gamers, we're here. We're here. Let's go. Epic souvenir shop, Kenzie. Yeah, it's a GoPro.
Oh, really?
Very nice. Dope stuff of epicness. Epic. Epic. Epic deal of epic. Yeet, sure. Doo-doo. Back on the plane, you know, and you got like over there. Johnny. Charlie. Dad.
I don't have any more power, Captain. I don't know. Thought I'd throw a little Star Trek in there. Anyway, they do a great job, and as one of them peels off there, and like I say, they'll regroup up here, and they're having a lot of fun. Like I say, the wind is obviously a factor for them as they're up there bouncing around and still making a great show for you folks.
All right, and coming up here we have the Mini Karen, and this maneuver is really fun. It's actually freeloader rides, and to see what these blue guys. No, I'm joking. Great crew of people in there operating the 130s, and of course our awesome jumpers back down to the ground safely. Unfortunately, not exactly how they be like hitting a brick wall. Pretty much, he'll go from like 350 miles an hour to 250 miles an hour in like a split second. Like snap your fingers and boom.
He's giving us a little extra show out there today,
sure
folks.
Is. I like it. I like it.
Ah, it's good time.
Yeah, and you know, Mark is absolutely not a stranger to all this. He's performed at drag races and air shows for many years.
You know, Aaron, I'm thinking, you know, Marcus, you know, from the Air Force Academy was talking about, you know,
right.
First time you just jump out with, you know, a parachute. And I'm thinking, what's the first time you drive? Like I said, they're going to go out and kind of group up. We're going to see Congressman Sam Graves is going to rejoin us here in the air box as soon as the A-26 gets airborne and up. And then we'll see all these planes together here in just a few minutes. So you'll have some beautiful airplanes.
Did it all.
Hey, I think you got it this time. Line it up. Looks good. Oh my gosh, you totally nailed it, Chuck. So good. Now get up to the stage here quick. Ladies and
Divers. Also, Jeff Bourbon will be in that Yak 110.
love that plane.
Right?
Oh, love that plane.
Right, so many good airplanes. We'll have Aftershock is going to be out again. Like I say, Ken Teach does an amazing engine off performance that you'll get to see later on, where he starts about 6,000 feet.
Now, as John comes in to make his final pass, he's going to do what we call the Hoover pitch to land, and it is always a privilege to perform this, and it's a dedication to Mr. Bob Hoover, a fighter pilot, a test pilot, an air show pilot, and an airpraise pilot. And a lot of what we do today in the air show industry was set forth by Mr. Bob Hoover. And here he comes, Hoover pitch to land.
Born by God's dear grace.
Now, on behalf of the Wild Blue Rodeo Stable of Performers, including Ivan, the L-39, I'm Lunar, that's Jive flying the aircraft. We've got Russ and Dan at home in England, our maintenance chiefs and crew chiefs. We want to say thank you to everyone here at the Sound of Speed Air Show in St. Joseph, Missouri. Thanks for having this Missouri boy home to fly for you. And we especially want to say that from our military family to all of you here at this base, thank you for your service, whether you're the children or the in an airplane, you know exactly who it is and exactly what you're in store for.
I'm always excited when I see him when we get our performer list, and then it's like, oh good, Ken Teach is going to be there. He's been doing this for 40 years, and his enthusiasm for flying started in 1967. At the age of 16, he completed his first solo flight, and his passion turned into a full-time career just 3 years later when he began flying commercially. And then Kent noticed that many of his passengers were nervous about flying, and their concerns were often related to the fears that an airplane might fall apart or its engine might quit mid-flight. So motivated in part by an interest in allying with those folks and helping with their fears, Kent bought his uncle's Interstate Cadet airplane, which is what you see here, in 1974, and then started performing at air shows. Just that easy.
He did, and I love that he's kind of buzzing around the L-39 here, and I'm waiting to see his truck. We'll see where the landing platform ends up here, but he'll put on a little teaser here for us before he actually lands that plane on the truck. But I gotta tell you, this airplane actually has a lot of history just in general with the type of airplane it is. It's not a Cub.
Up in their straps and head. You'll notice they point straight down when they get going down. It's a great way to pick up speed and following the 2 rules of aerobatics, which I'm sure you know, Mom.
Yeah, throw yourself to the ground and miss.
That's right. Aim at the dirt and miss the dirt.
Yeah, that's my favorite, the barrel loop. I just love it, the barrel roll rather. Takes exceptional skill and understanding of the performance of the other airplane because they're so different, right? I mean, it's amazing. I don't know how they make it look so easy. Coming up, we'd like to throw out a special thanks to all the military vets, to those who currently serve, and their families who serve with them.
So cool to watch. You watch that turn upside down. Joe's gonna lag a little bit. Barrel roll around him.
The Patriot move. Patriot roll. Let's keep getting that next step. Awesome. That's so neat. Thank you guys. Thank you.